All right, today we are gonna try out a Christmas gift that I got from one of my best friends. It's a crotch pot. It's made by Gossamer Gear. They make my favorite backpack. So this is a little something you can add to your backpacking ensemble, I guess. So it's a way to cook your food using the heat of your vagina. How it works is it's got two carabiners on it. And then you hook that to your shorts, and then the bag goes inside your pants, and then it cooks while you hike. So you put your food inside a Ziploc bag, and then you put that bag in this bag, and then you put this bag in your pants. Since we're not boiling it, you only have to use half of the water serving size. Okay, we've got the crotch pot in the crotch. So now we're gonna go take a little walk and heat it up a little bit. Just cooking my lunch. Ooh, them noodles gonna be cooking. It's getting warm out here. The sun's coming out. Fry my coochie noodles. You don't want any of my crotch pot noodles? They're not the worst thing I've had.